Welcome to Know More, where we explore the inspiring stories of remarkable individuals. Today we shine a spotlight on one of the most influential power couples of our time, Barack and Michelle Obama. Barack and Michelle Obama's love story is one of resilience, determination, and unwavering commitment to public service. Barack and Michelle Obama's leadership transcends politics. They've become symbols of hope and inspiration for millions around the world. Michelle's advocacy for education, health, and equality, combined with Barack's vision for change, has left an indelible mark on history. During Barack's presidency, the Obamas championed causes such as healthcare reform, climate action, and social justice. Michelle's passion for empowering youth and promoting healthy lifestyles has left a lasting legacy since leaving the White House. The Obamas continue to inspire change through their philanthropy, advocacy, and storytelling. As we reflect on the remarkable journey of Barack and Michelle Obama, one thing is clear: their legacy of hope, progress, and unity will continue to shape the world for years to come.